Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to address a topic that's often overlooked but vital for individuals with diabetes: how to increase blood sugar levels immediately. If you're someone who has diabetes and is looking for effective ways to manage low blood sugar, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we share some informative tips and tricks to help you out. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our diabetes-related content. Low blood sugar, or hypoglycemia, is a common concern for people with diabetes. It can cause symptoms like dizziness, weakness, confusion, and even loss of consciousness. So it's crucial to act quickly when your blood sugar drops too low. Now let's jump right into the practical tips that can help you increase your blood sugar levels immediately. Tip 1. Consume fast-acting carbohydrates. When your blood sugar is low, reach for fast-acting carbohydrates that can be quickly absorbed into your bloodstream. This includes glucose tablets, fruit juices, regular soda, or glucose gels. Aim for around 15 grams of carbohydrates and retest your blood sugar after 15 minutes. If needed, repeat the process until your levels stabilize. Tip 2. Carry a snack. Always carry a small snack with you, such as granola bars, crackers, or a piece of fruit. This way, you'll be prepared to manage low blood sugar wherever you are. Also, consider keeping a glucagon emergency kit on hand in case of severe hypoglycemia. Tip 3. Consume protein and fat. While fast-acting carbohydrates are essential for an immediate blood sugar increase, it's equally important to follow up with a balanced snack or meal. Including protein and healthy fats can help stabilize your blood sugar levels and prevent them from dropping again shortly after. Tip 4. Regular meal timing and portion control. Maintaining a consistent meal schedule and practicing portion control are vital for managing blood sugar levels. Eating smaller, frequent meals throughout the day can help avoid drastic fluctuations and keep your blood sugar stable. Tip 5. Monitor your blood sugar regularly. Regularly monitoring your blood sugar levels is crucial for managing diabetes effectively. This will help you identify patterns, understand how different foods and activities affect your blood sugar, and take appropriate action when necessary. Remember, while these tips can help you increase your blood sugar levels immediately, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider or diabetes educator for personalized advice and guidance. They can help you create an individualized plan based on your specific needs and circumstances. Well, that's all for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. And don't forget to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.